Now we move to the next stuff we should be discussing this morning, and this is what is known as a mechanism of action of phototherapy. So this phototherapy, how does it actually act in the body? Like, how does it act in the body to help us solve jaundice? That's jaundice in children, or in adults it's used in treating all those skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. So how does it actually work? Okay, so it actually treats, mainly here we're actually talking about neonatal jaundice. Do you understand? But the mechanism of how it treats neonatal jaundice should be similar to what is used in treating skin conditions. So it actually transforms the bilirubin into water soluble forms, so that bilirubin can now be put out, okay, from the body more efficiently. So overview of phototherapy is actually a blue-green light. It is a Billy blanket. Okay, that one, the phototherapy is inside a blanket. This one is overhead LED lamps. Okay, so it's actually blue-green light. The wavelength is usually 430 to 490, and they use this to reduce bilirubin levels in newborns. So the light penetrates the skin, alters bilirubin molecules in the subcutaneous tissue, and this will now make it very easy for the bilirubin to be broken down and excreted from the body. Okay. So we have the configurational isomerism. The primary mechanism of action, it converts ZZ bilirubin into the EZ or the EE types of bilirubin. So those ones will dissolve more in water and they are put out from the body more efficiently. So that one works rapidly and reversibly. Then we have the structural isomerism. It produces lumirubin. It's a stable and highly water soluble compound. The lumirubin is excreted via urine and bile. They'll have the photooxidation. So bilirubin is oxidized into smaller molecules. So those fragments, because they are very small, they can go through urine easily. So these are the various ways in which different types of phototherapy actually act. So why it works in newborns is newborns have immature liver enzymes limiting bilirubin conjugation. That's why most of the times they have that issue of jaundice. So phototherapy bypasses those enzymes, okay, and goes down to break down the bilirubin so that it can be taken out of the body. So factors influencing effectiveness is what's the light wavelength and the intensity, the exposed skin surface area, okay, then for how long do you actually do the treatment. So that's what we got for this phototherapy.